Okay, here we are at camp on the Selway River. She's right over there. We scored. This is a beautiful campground. There's only like 3 camp spots here, well separated, so we don't even have to deal with other people. Beaut. A little video. Here we are at camp. Everybody survived. It's beautiful. Enjoy it, James. You ready to move to Idaho? Transfer you up here.
You sounded halfway convinced already.
Go.
So we're right here on the Montana-Idaho border. We will go down to Powell, Idaho, and then we jump on the Lolo Motorway, which follows the Nez Perce Trail all along these ridges. So we'll be up high right in the line. When we drop down in here where there's some water, we'll camp somewhere in here. And the next day we'll come out at Cammy Eye and then back down to Greensville. Sounds awesome?